Hey there everybody, how y'all doing today? So this video here, I'm just going to do a little rant. I don't know if it's warranted or unwarranted or what, but that's just the way I feel at the particular moment. So I am currently building the Salvino JR 1972 Chrysler Plymouth. I know it sounds kind of redundant, don't it? But whatever. I'm currently building that car here, and this is real nice. Let me start off here. The Salvino cars work with the power slide decals, and I've always said the power slide decals are my absolute go-to decals. They are the best as far as I'm concerned. They're just top notch. That's my personal opinion, but they're just top notch. So I built the number, I don't remember if it was a 2020 or a 2021 Valvoline, Kyle Larson Valvoline. Repainted the body red. I'll leave a picture here. Painted the body red, and then all the white was decals. Being power slide, the decals fell right together, right in all the creases, the curvature of the car, and whatnot. It was just absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. I mean, I couldn't have. The model itself was tough, but the decals were gorgeous. I love them. You know, and I've done other power slide cars. That Dale Earnhardt cars, power slides. A lot of the NASCARs I do are power slides. So I got the 72 Richard Petty car here. And it's got the power slides, and it's got the red decals. Now I have in my stash, I have a bunch of these Richard Petty, the orange, the STP reds, for various models that I was going to build. That I just never got around to. So this is the first one that I got that actually had the red inside of it here. So I went to put them on. Like I said, power slides. Look forward to building them. And I gotta tell you, I'm really disappointed. The red did not go on as well as it should have. Around the edges, it doesn't conform very well to the curvature of the body. It ripped, it tore. You can see there's spots here where it just rips. There's a big rip right here. Along the edges here, where the decal kind of folded over, I shouldn't say folded over, but folded along like where the window is, it breaks apart. So now you got a bunch of those little, you can see underneath there, the strips of the orange, red, whatever you want to call it. Vermilion red, I believe it's called. You know, and it just didn't meet the curvature of the body. It cracked. It was brittle. Over here is garbage. Look at this here. This is coming up already. I'm just extremely, extremely disappointed with this here. And I still got the whole other side of the car to do here. And yeah, that was a nice blue paint I put on there. Not going to lie about that. But yeah, like I said, I'm just disappointed. And if this is the way the other decals are going to be for the other Petty cars, you know, I feel like I've wasted money on decals because I could have painted this better. You know, I thought this would have been an easier solution than painting. Now I feel like I need to put a clear coat on this, which I normally do, but just to protect the decals. But at the same time, I don't want to wreck the decals with the clear coat. I mean, look at all that crackage over there. I don't know, I'm just disappointed. Extremely disappointed. Has anybody else had this problem issue, whatever? I mean, I don't know. I'm just frustrated, I guess. And I guess this is where this rant is coming from. It's just my frustration. I expected better from power slide decals. I know this is probably not a Salvino issue because they're power slide decals, and I absolutely love power slide decals. I am going to continue working on this, finish this up, and knowing the problems I had on this side, you know, try to do better than that side. But yeah, I'm going to put all the sponsors and stuff on it. I'm hoping for the best, but I don't know. I'm just frustrated. I'm aggravated. I expected better. Anybody else have those problems, issues, whatever? Or am I just ranting just to rant? I'm probably just ranting just to rant. All right, everybody. Well, I appreciate you listening to me, taking the time out to listen to my rants here. Next video, I hope to be better. I hope to be a better update on this car. All right, everybody. Appreciate you sticking around. I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.